Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to unlink a bank account from Personal Capital. If you don't have a Personal Capital account, we will put a link in the description below for you to sign up. But if you already have an account, just open the website, then click Sign In. Now, enter your email. Then click on Continue. Next, enter your password, then click on Sign In. Once you're signed in, you will see the list of linked accounts at the upper left side of the screen. Click on the bank account you wish to unlink. On this page, you will see an edit icon beside the name of your bank account. Click on the edit icon. A pop-up window will appear. Then you will see an option for Remove Account at the bottom left side. Click on Remove Account. On the pop-up window, you will see another Remove button. Click on the Remove button. That's how you unlink a bank account from Personal Capital. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.